Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to make some chocolate truffles. They're gonna be vegan friendly and they're super simple to make. Also, I really like making them during the Christmas holidays because I think they're such a fun little dessert to offer to guests or to give away to friends and family. So without any further ado, let's begin. I start by chopping some dark chocolate in pieces. Then I use a double boiler and I melt the chocolate with the milk. I used oat milk, you can use another kind if you prefer. It's quite similar to the recipe I made of the chocolate salami. If you're interested, go ahead and watch that recipe too. Then I add the coconut oil and some almond butter. You can substitute the almond butter with another nut or seed butter such as peanut butter or coconut butter. I also did a video recipe on those, so I'm gonna link it above. Mix everything well until you get a smooth cream like this one. And now I added some maple syrup as a sweetener. Honey or sugar will work just as well. I put half a tablespoon, but you can put also a full tablespoon if you like it a little bit extra sweet. Then take it off the burner and I add the cocoa powder using a strainer so that we can avoid all the clumps. And now whisk it up. To aromatize the chocolate truffles, I use a piece of vanilla bean that I cut in half and take out the seeds, or you can use a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, I like to add in the zest of half a lemon. I put the mixture in the freezer for 25 minutes and then I'm ready to make the truffle balls. I scoop up a bit of the dough with a tablespoon, I take it out and I add some nuts in the middle. I have here a mixture of nuts such as pistachio, hazelnuts, walnuts. You can use whatever you prefer. And then I make a little ball that I roll into one of these three powders. The first one is coconut flour, the second one is grated pistachios, and the last one is simply cocoa powder. It can get a bit messy since the truffle is very fudgy and creamy, so I suggest to cover your hands with some of those powders. Here is the final products. What do you think? And now I'm ready to taste them. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, if you enjoyed my content, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye bye!